Thanks very much for clicking on my video. Today I'm going boating, but I'm not going in the sea. I'm going inland and I'm going on a canal, which is going to be a first for me. So I brought my little first mate with me today. Want to say hello? Hello. I'll just look at this location, absolutely stunning. So the sun's out, it's really nice. Look at this bridge. So this little bridge to let boats through, rotates round. And then there, that's the M5 motorway. So a fantastic little location, isn't it? Can't wait to get the dinghy up. I'm using a different dinghy as well today. Gonna have a look at some of the docks. Yeah, making it into a houseboat or something. Nice. We are under the M5 motorway. Woo! Bridge. Bit different. Anyway, let's get back, let's get the boat blown up, let's get the Seagull on, and let's get moving along this canal and go and explore and see what's what. So yeah, keep watching. So we're on the water, on the canal. It's so peaceful. Just try and turn it down a bit so you might be able to hear me better. It's sort of funny though, because like I'm used to being in a speedboat where you can go quite fast. We're here, I think the speed limit's like 4 miles an hour. But you know what? It's so relaxing. You're having a good time, aren't you, pal?
Yeah.
He loves it. He just wants to have a go on the old Seagull, don't you, pal? Look, it's running absolute treat. Oh yes, this canal boating is so nice. Nice and chilled, and you don't have to rush, you know, you think, oh, I've got to get out for the tide. So yeah, I'm enjoying it. Hopefully you're liking the video so far. What do you think about your first time in the Seagull?
Really good.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah. I think I'm better than you.
Did you hear him? He thinks he's better than me.
Well, did you get this good your first time?
The youth of today, this is the problem. Youth of today, they think they know it all, don't they? Well done, mate. I hope we've got enough fuel to get back.
Yeah.
Coming up on your left is a local shopping trolley. What a fantastic place. Must have so much history. Morning. Is it an Asda or a Tesco one? Oh, we can't tell. I'm going to have to try and find out some more history about this place. This is my favourite bit, going through the tunnel.
Yeah.
Oh! Echo! Oh, I love that effect on the ceiling from the water. Look at the really high walls. Morning. bridges galore today. There's another bridge. Morning! What's that? What's that? Oh, that's the big one, isn't it?
What's that?
Just eat fish? Bridgewater Docks, floating pontoons. I'll just show you around the docks a little bit. It's a shame they're not full of boats. Oh, I thought it was a real fish. I thought it was well, it's a fish lure. Is it are they called lures? Lures? Yeah, but the hook's stuck in there. Oh, a great place. The Seagulls ran brilliantly, which is fantastic. That's quite nice, isn't it? Morning, ducks. So we're heading off back now from the docks. I had a really interesting chat with some of the Sea Cadet people who were there, which was really interesting. So from where we started to the docks was 2 miles. Thanks very much for watching my video. If you haven't, press that subscribe button. Get it pressed. Press it, press it, press it.